In order to advance the concept technology of energy storage, we need to think differently about the current options available. The three key factors are fast charging of energy density, longevity of charge cycles, and safe, non-hazardous materials. These two supercapacitors both fit this criteria and are exactly the same in energy storage capacity, except the former state-of-the-art on the left has now been replaced by the new state-of-the-art graphene supercap on the right. Both of these supercapacitors are 2.7 volts at 3,000 farads. 14 of the graphene caps could fit inside the space of the old one, which would equal 2.7 volts at 42,000 farads. That's a huge difference. Our new 16-volt supercap module has 24 pieces inside of it. What you're seeing under the lid is two series-connected groups of 6 graphene caps each. Another 12 more are underneath these. By pressing the momentary switch on the left, you can see what the state of the charge is at any time. We offer these modules at our website as single units, or you can purchase a stack of 2 or as many as you want. As a point of relativity, these two totally different products are close in size and have the same capacity of energy storage. Both are 72 watt hours. The greatest difference is that lithium-ion has very short life cycle and may require 30 minutes or more to charge, while a graphene module will charge in 5 to 10 minutes. That would be a major advantage for solar and EV applications. On the product page of our website, I've listed various different beneficial applications for the graphene supercap module, one of which is a portable AC/DC emergency or remote location power unit. We've had multiple requests for a product of this nature, so here it is. We start with this small, nearly indestructible waterproof case, pop open the latches, and inside the securely padded case is a graphene supercap module connected to a 400 watt AC inverter with 4 USB ports for charging any mobile devices or laptop computer, and also includes 2 sets of cables. Remove the cables, which we'll cover in just a moment. Lift up the bottom pad, and underneath is another compartment to securely store your mobile device and charging cable. The included battery clip cables are intended for a very specific purpose. Simply attach them with a red and black screw-on terminals at the back of the AC inverter and start almost any vehicle that has a dead battery without even turning on the inverter. Once the vehicle starts, the alternator will instantly recharge the graphene cap module. This is a feature that everyone can appreciate. If you have a truck or an SUV with a power port in the back, plug in the module charging cable attached to the inverter, and in a few minutes you're charged up and ready to go. In a car, just plug into the power port, usually near the dash, set the case on the seat or on the floor for a few minutes, and you're also charged up and ready to go. For complete product information, specifications, and pricing, come see us at quantummagneticstore.com. See you there.